What's good, YouTube? It's your boy StaticBrando and I'm back with another video. Today we're installing some quick release bumpers, some quick releases. Today we're installing some quick releases on my bumper. Since I'm static, I basically keep taking off my bumper everywhere I go. I already broke the passenger side, so this is basically my quick fix until I decide to get a new bumper, do whatever. I also got a carbon fiber front grille that I'm also installed on the car. As you guys can see, I kind of broke this one already and it kind of doesn't stay in, especially since how low I am. Whatever. This side is cool, it just keeps popping out. But I also went ahead and picked up a carbon fiber front grille. Go ahead and install that too. So first things first, we're gonna pop the hood. It's a little bit dirty in here. We're gonna clean that afterwards. We ain't gonna worry about that. I need tools, charging. Nice. It's basically held on by zip ties. It's held right here and right here. So I'm gonna just try and cut those off. I don't know if I can do it with one hand, but we gonna see what's gonna happen. What you got there? It's carbon fiber grill. It's real carbon fiber. A few imperfections, not perfect, but it works. Precision work. That wasn't precision. The fuck? No, bro. I don't know. Alright, this just sucks. Yo, all these bits are just ass.
Sure the bits are the problem, my boy?
Yes. Should I leave that center thing in? Or should I break it off? Next up, we got quick releases. So I got one side done so far. Now I'm about to work on the second side. Hopefully I can match it up. This side's a little bit broken, but it's gonna work. It's gonna do what it do. Yeah. You guys want to see what it looks like with the intakes?
You wildin', bro. You just be taking them shits and putting them on. Just be taking shit off and putting them shits on like it's nothing.
It is nothing. No, I'll see.